Welcome! If you're here, you've probably liked a post or reel on Instagram and later changed your mind. Maybe it was a double tap by accident, or you just want to tidy up your activity. Either way, I'm here to walk you through exactly how to unlike those posts and reels, step by step. This guide is up to date and super easy to follow, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your likes. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You'll find your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look at the top right corner of your profile. You'll see a three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap that. A menu will slide out from the right side of the screen with a list of options. Among them, you'll see an option called Your Activity. Tap on it. Inside your activity, you'll find several sections, but right now we're interested in likes. Tap that, and Instagram will show you a list of all the posts and reels you've recently liked. Scroll through and find the one you want to remove from your liked history. Once you spot the post or reel, tap on it to open it up. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Unlike. Tap it, and just like that, your like will be removed. The post or reel will no longer show up in your liked history, and you're all set. Remember, you can repeat these steps for as many posts or reels as you want. This is a great way to keep your Instagram activity neat and only show your appreciation for the content you truly enjoy. If you found this helpful, consider liking this video. But don't worry, I'll show you how to unlike it too if you ever change your mind. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling!